How to completely reinvent yourself in 30 days. From today, you could look back in the mirror and barely recognize who you are. New mindset, new habits, new direction, and I am going to walk you through exactly how to completely reinvent yourself in just 30 days. Before we dive into the day by day, let's get one thing straight. Reinventing yourself is not about faking, it's not about pretending to be someone else. It's about remembering who you could be if you stop your laziness, your fear, and your excuses run the show. So let's break it down into 4 weeks. Each week has the theme. By the end of the week 4, you won't just feel different, you will be different. Week 1. Destroy the old you. Take inventory. Write down everything you are not okay with your life right now. Do a digital detox like unfollow, delete, clean your digital environment. Clean your physical space like messy space, messy mind. Write down your anti version, who is the person you never want to become. Start waking up 1 hour earlier. Don't argue, just try it. Move your body, run, lift, walk, whatever gets your blood moving. This week is all about breaking patterns. You can't build a new life on the top of old garbage. Week 2. Rewire your mind. Write your vision. Where do you want to be next 1 year? Like daily affirmations, but make them believable, not cheesy stuffs. Start a habit tracker. Track your sleep, your fitness, your screen time, and your hydration. Learn something new, like from podcast, books, or any other social media platform. This is the week where you start rebuilding the wiring in your head. If you don't control your thoughts, someone else will. Week 3. Build the new you. Choose one keystone habit. Go all in. Start a morning routine, simple and repeatable. Take a social risk. Message someone, speak or show up. Fix any one thing that you have been avoiding. Start something new that scares you, a blog, a YouTube channel, or a business idea. Dress like the person you want to be. It changes how you move. Reflect what has changed, what's working for you. This is where the most people quit, but not you. You are not just thinking different, you are acting different right now. Week 4. Expand and execute. Eliminate your bad habits. Design your ideal week. Plan it out. Share your progress. Build your power circle. Reach out to like-minded people. You have now created a version of yourself that didn't exist 1 month ago. Reinvention isn't a one-time event. It's a skill, and now you have the blueprint. Don't just watch the video and move on. Save this, rewatch it, and if you are serious about the journey, comment below with 1 day starts now, and let's build something together.